Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code, P0303. This code indicates a misfire in cylinder number 3 of your engine. It can cause rough idling, reduced power, and even worse fuel economy. Don't worry, though. In this video, we'll go through some simple steps to diagnose and potentially fix the problem ourselves. Before we dive in, let's understand what this code means. P0303 indicates that the engine computer isn't detecting a proper burn in cylinder number 3. This can happen for a few reasons, but the most common culprits are spark plugs and ignition coils. Before we begin, remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're not comfortable working on your car, it's always best to consult a mechanic. Also, consult your car's manual for specific locations of parts and any safety instructions. What you'll need: basic toolkit wrenches, socket wrench, spark plug gap tool, replacement spark plugs, rags, multimeter. The P0303 code points to a misfire in cylinder 3, but there are a few culprits. Spark plugs, these are the most common cause. Worn or fouled spark plugs can prevent proper ignition. Ignition coil, the coil delivers the high voltage spark to the plugs. A faulty coil for cylinder 3 can cause misfires. Fuel injector, if the injector isn't delivering fuel properly, cylinder 3 will misfire. Locate your spark plugs. They'll be screwed into the engine block, usually with wires or coil packs on top. Consult your manual for cylinder 3's location. Disconnect the battery for safety. Remove the spark plug wire or coil pack from cylinder 3. Use a spark plug wrench to remove the spark plug itself. Inspect the spark plug. Look for cracks, excessive wear, or fouling dark buildup. Gap the spark plug if necessary using a gapping tool. Refer to your manual for the correct gap. Replace the spark plug with a new one following the manufacturer's recommendations. Repeat steps 3 to 7 for all spark plugs. It's best to replace them all at once since they wear together. Ignition coils are usually located on top of the spark plugs. Consult your manual to identify the coil for cylinder 3. In some cases, you can swap the coil from cylinder 3 with another cylinder-like cylinder 4 and see if the misfire code jumps to the new cylinder. This would indicate a bad coil. Clean or replace the faulty coil if needed. A faulty fuel injector is less common but can cause misfires. Testing and replacing fuel injectors can be trickier, so if the spark plugs and coil check out, it might be best to consult a mechanic for this step. Once you've replaced the faulty part, clear the trouble code. You can do this with a scan tool or by disconnecting the battery for a short period. Refer to your manual for the exact method. Start the engine and see if the code returns. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0303 code in your car. Remember, if you're not comfortable with any of these procedures, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. Thanks for joining me today. If you had any questions about P0303 codes or engine misfires, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care videos.